Hey guys, this is Sal from You Gotta Eat, and I'm gonna make one of my favorite dishes that my grandmother Teresa used to make, cream tuna on toast. So, to start this recipe, we gotta make a roux. First thing we're gonna do is quarter stick of butter. And drop these in there, let them melt down. And now we're gonna add in whisk in the flour. If it ever decides to come out of cup. All right, we're whisking that in.
Or instead of whisking it in a little bit, you can just dump the whole quarter cup in.
You could do that too. All right.
When you're making a roux and you're incorporating the liquid in, you want to make sure that the liquid it's not clumped up. So Sal's going to start pouring in the next ingredient, which is milk.
Does the body good. All right, a little bit at a time. I remember my grandmother making this for me when I was younger. She actually showed me how to make it one time, but this is one of my favorite dishes that she made. It's also an inexpensive dish to make. All right, at this point, you can start adding some salt and pepper to taste. You know, you do it to your liking. I'm not a big salt guy, but we can add it as we go. And then a little pepper. All right, now at this point, I already have my toast in the toaster, so I'm just gonna drop it down, get that going, turn my heat up a little bit, and add in my tuna fish. And now we just start and watch it thicken.
I'm sure you got someone there is interested in any droppings that might come her way. Right, Z?
You can see it getting thicker already. This is something that, you know, is good for, you know, a cold winter day or a rainy day. All right, so we waited a few minutes. I took the fork because I wanted to break up a little bit more of the pieces, the chunks of the bigger pieces of the tuna fish in there. And it's really starting to thicken up now. The toast is done. So I'm gonna shut this off now. All right, take it off the heat for a second. Okay, grab my toast. All right, you wanna make sure before you put it on your toast that you put enough salt and pepper in it. Seasoned good. All right, that's delicious. All right, now I'm gonna put it on, pour it right over the toast. All right, beautiful. There you have it. Grandma Teresa's cream tuna on toast. I almost forgot to wish all the mothers out there a happy Mother's Day, including my own, Judy. Happy Mother's Day. And to my beautiful and loving wife, Kelly.